And that's why we love Willie.
It's Willie, Willie.
Who else but Willie?
Fucking, that fucking Quagmire.
Close enough. This is not the sex.
Battle starts.
You gonna take that line down, Willie? God.
No, he's gonna take it standing up. Oh. Did I just go there?
No, you flew
going?
right over it. Yes, you went there, you dumbass.
No, I only thought about going there. I just kind of stopped.
Not really. You pretty much just kind of blew the door wide open.
Blew your
Explosive
mom's door.
diarrhea.
Grabbed your
eh?
closest shotgun and opened fire.
Blew your mom's door open. Oh no! I don't know if it's sexist to hit you or... I've watched too much Deadpool.
There's no such thing as sexism anymore.
No, but feminism is cancer. You should remember that.
Yeah.
Those are definitely words to live by.
There's no such thing as sexism, though. Everyone's a sex they're not.
Right? But you can be
Which
gender
makes
fluid.
them both sex.
You can be gender fluid.
I saw a funny
Ooh,
thing
liquidy.
about that. I saw a funny thing about that. Someone was asking on like Tumblr or something what the fuck gender fluid meant. And it's like, it went something like about 150 to 200 pounds ago they lost sight of their genitals and they can't remember which one it was.
Now that's fucking funny.
Okay, so there's the top of the map. My boats are just going diagonal across the top of the map.
One of those, did I have an innie or did I have an outie?
Well, it's you, Matt, so I'd probably say an innie.
Oh. I'm asking you.
It's a shame,
I
bro.
can't develop those.
This is annihilation only, yeah?
Yeah. They've invaded our fucking borders. Our land. Our land!
Where is they?
They're over there. See where my troops are in the north?
Why is a squad of my guys all the way over there?
I don't know.
They can have fun.
They're not even your guys, they're your settlers. Where are they going?
Oh no, my settlers, I know where they're going, but there's like this squad of my guys in their like cities.
Pillaging and doing shit.
No. Exploring.
Pillaging.
They are pillaging. Oh,
Pillage you.
Oh.
Don't start me with a
Okay.
good time, baby.
We're also against
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Smoke up!
Nebuchadnezzar just second.
No.
What?
Nebuchadnezzar.
Babylon.
That was funny. Fuck you all. Joke was funny and you should have laughed. I will send you out to the gas chambers. Fuck, what do I research?
A volcano. I want to build my city right next to that.
A volcano.
I didn't know there were volcanoes in this fucking game.
Is it a volcano or is it Krakatoa? Because I'm
It's
pretty
Krakatoa.
sure.
It's Krakatoa. But it's still a volcano.
It's in the middle of the ocean.
Yeah, I was gonna say, besides Krakatoa, I'm 90% sure there is no such thing as a volcano in that game.
It was Krakatoa though.
I just
I
killed
know.
a Cleveland with
What
a
is right
Gnevy.
Krakatoa?
Oh, it's a volcano.
Yeah, it's like the, you don't know what you don't know what Krakatoa is?
Well, obviously not.
When you hit a door.
You also know what a non Krakatoa is?
Fuck off.
Krakow?
A non Krakatoa or something like that.
What was?
I know it's some horrible enunciations and pronunciations of actually what it is, but
What are you talking about?
I know that
Krakatoa,
Krakow is
right?
Poland.
Yeah.
It whenever Krakatoa blew up, it created the new volcano because it was so large. It created the they named it some translation of like son of Krakatoa or something like that. It's like a nut Krakatoa or some bullshit
The
like that.
son of Walmarax.
Yeah. Ah, yeah.
I made a funny.
Wasn't that funny?
I made a pun.
Can we land? Yes.
No.
I'm going to steal their land from behind them. And build up an army. I'm going to put a base in the very top corner and just build cannons.
Kill everything before it even gets into your territory. It's one of the best strategies on like Archipelago. You just build a bunch of like artillery and you just sit there. And anything that gets close to the island gets blown to smithereens. Fucking great. Not for the people trying to invade you, but for you, of course. Ooh, I can't. No, I can't build it yet. Why? Why?
Why?
Why?
Oh.
I'm glad, guys.
Jesus Christ.
Oh,
my
I
gosh.
found a border. I better settle near here so I can get that iron.
Reporting the target position.
I found Nebuchadnezzar. No, not
Nebuchadnezzar?
Nebuchadnezzar. Nebuchadnezzar.
Nebuchadnezzar.
A Nebuchadnezzar. Oh look, it's Old Faithful.
You can never Kenneth.
I cry every time.
Willie, just don't. Just don't. Just don't. Just don't. Just seriously, just don't.
No, please keep. It's hilarious.
Please don't. Please don't.
Do it.
Exactly that. Don't do it.
Dum 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 dum.
Stop! Don't do it!
When you wanna come do it, relax.
Don't do it. God damn it. I was in that song every fucking day. I love it. And I mean it.
Oh shit, I forgot.
Did you
got
now?
All the, yeah, I got all the Austrian divisions. Because I annexed them, and I should probably assign
Don't do
them
it when you want to do it. Relax. Don't do it.
Oh, I don't
when
want
you
to
come. Wanna come.
I'm gonna put it down there. I'll put it down under.
to put it down under, mate.
Yeah, mate. So, I'm
Fucking
gonna
down
spend
under, she'll
5
love it.
years getting my 20 turns for my settlers to get all the way down there. There we go. Okay, they're on the move. Do say production. Give me a university.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
See what my troops are to the south? That's why I'm going to
Yeah.
the city.
Okay, okay.
Oh yeah!
Torpedoes, astern!
Clusterfuck, but I have to do it.
Torpedoes astern! He gonna do it. He
Okay,
gonna do
yeah,
it.
it's not that retarded. Good. Can you hear my brother giggling very, Very
Daily?
maniacally.
Like that?
Yeah, it sounds like SpongeBob.
Nah! Oh, it's Patrick! Oh.
SpongeBob
He's such a
is
cunt.
a ship. Heaven. Stop being
You'd be
such a
surprised.
cunt.
You would seriously be surprised
Critical
at
engine
how
damage.
well my brother does, like, a traditional white girl voice.
Problem solved, sir.
Like the stereotypical one. It's really fucking great.
I guess I'll say say yay to both of us, but I'll put one more yay into mine.
I went all
'Cause you
yay
suck.
for you.
Oh, thank you.
I know I suck though, so it's okay.
Ah, yes, I invented radios. Except
Blah, 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 blah.
fucking telegraph, you fucking dumb shit.
Hey, they both passed. Anyway.
Make a proposal. I want to propose...
I wish to propose that we kill all the Jews. Yes. Yes.
Ah!
Oh, yeah, whatever. Woman with the Solution HQ. I want to research a bazooka. I want to shoot some bazooka. That'd be great.
You know what I want?
Team has taken the lead.
What do you want?
I want Overwatch to be out already.
Yeah, well, too fucking bad. Overwatch for you.
None whatsoever.
What? Oh, I should actually start researching carriers so I actually have decent ones that I can fucking build. This time I made the mistake of not trying to build a carrier until 1942. It took it until 1946 to fucking complete. By then, the war was pretty much over. It had no navy, and, well, America really didn't want to fuck around. So it was pretty much worthless. It was a trophy ship. If even that. It was one of those, well, what do we do with it now? There's no more war to fight, so what the fuck do we do with it? Okay, let's go to ability on support. Okay.
Critical engine damage. The ship is on fire. Problem solved, sir.
Don't go to war to them just yet if you haven't already.
I haven't.
with them.
I'm just trying to... I want everything nearby, but I don't want everything so nearby that they're like, "Oi, mate, what are you doing?"
Yeah.
Gonna build
Hopefully that does
some
that.
nuclear weapons. Producing so little nukes, it's not even funny.
Oh, we just...
God.
We have officially discovered everything on our side of the map.
Yeah.
I gotta say, I like the Gnevy. It's a pretty decent little destroyer. I didn't really do that much, but it's like a little mini cruiser.
Where are my settlers? Oh, they're still all the way up there. God damn. God damn.